How to add a stop in Uber. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can add a stop in Uber, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to add a stop on Uber, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Uber application here, and once you launch the Uber app you're going to be able to see this type of interface over here. Right now, once you've done this, the issue here is quite simple. If you want to book a place and then now you want to go ahead and then add a stop, so first of all you have to do is basically make sure to enter your pickup point. So let me just go ahead and then enter my pickup point over here, and once I go ahead and then basically enter my pickup point, then I'll be able to find the option to go ahead and then add a stop. So right here you can see, but after you select a pickup point, a new option will show up over here, that is the plus icon. So instead of entering destination, if you want to stop somewhere, tap on the plus option here, and now you can simply go ahead and then add a stop over here as well. And once you go ahead and then basically add a stop in this case, now you can just go ahead and then basically select that, and after that you can tap on the done option, then you can tap on add stop option as well. This way you should be able to add a stop on Uber. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.